I begin by carefully dismantling the painting, separating it from its original frame. This is a special work carrying significant sentimental value. The first step is a preliminary analysis under ultraviolet light, which allows me to detect areas of oxidized and aged varnish. I then carry out solvent tests to evaluate the painting's response and determine the safest method for removing the old varnish.